Welcome to the Triangle. Iconic, your ultimate student home in the heart of Leeds, where style, comfort, and convenience meet. Your room is more than just a place to sleep, it's your sanctuary. Fully furnished and designed for comfort, it's the perfect space to relax and unwind, whether you're alone or hosting friends. The kitchen is modern and fully equipped, ideal for anything from quick snacks to gourmet meals. After cooking, refresh in your private washroom, featuring sleek fixtures for comfort and convenience. Need a study spot? The communal study rooms are perfect for focusing, and when it's time for a break, unwind in the student lounges, game room, or cinema room. Located just 19 minutes from the University of Leeds, with Leeds Beckett University and University of Law a short bus ride away, you're in the perfect spot. Aldi, Tesco, and Burley Medical Centre are all within walking distance, making life easy. Enjoy flexible payment plans with options for upfront or installment payments, making budgeting simple and stress-free. Ready to call the Triangle iconic home? Book your room today and secure your spot at the best student accommodation in Leeds.